Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab S10 Ultra, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find the option and the battery. Just tap on it. Here we have to find the option show battery percentage, and as you can see in my case this option is turned on. However, if you've got it turned off it should look like that. So all you have to do is to tap on the switcher, and from now on your device will display the exact percentage of the usage of the battery next to the battery icon. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.